Hello everyone! Kareem is going to have a baby sister very soon. His parents are preparing the baby's bedroom. They want to cover the bedroom floor with big foam alphabet tiles to make the room colorful and nice. How many tiles do you think fits in this room? Can you make a guess? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kareem's parents were able to cover the bedroom floor completely using 12 alphabet squares. If each of these is 1 meter long and 1 meter wide, can you guess how long and how wide this baby's room is? Think about it and watch this episode of Madrasati to know the answer and to solve similar problems and riddles. Kareem's parents were preparing the bedroom of the coming baby sister. They used a total of 12 alphabet tiles to completely cover the bedroom floor. 12 square meters is the area of the bedroom floor. The area is the amount of space in a flat place, the floor of the bedroom. We must know the area to know how big the room floor is and to know the size and amount of items and furniture we can place in it. So, how long and how wide is the bedroom floor? If the side of each square tile is 1 meter, then the length of the room is 1, 2, 3, 4 meters, and its width is 1, 2, 3 meters. 4 times 3 equals 12 square meters. That's the area of the bedroom floor. Let's consider a bigger room. To know the area or the square meters of the floor, we must count all the tiles, considering that the sides of all the square tiles equal 1 meter. There are too many tiles here. Instead of counting them all, let's multiply the number of rows by the number of columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiplied by 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. The area of this room is 32 square meters. We say square meters because we are counting the squares. What if the same room floor is covered with carpet instead of tiles? How can we know its area? How many square meters does the floor occupy? If there aren't squares for us to count, we can use a measuring tape to measure the room's length and width. The length of the room here is 8 meters and the width is 4 meters. If we multiply the length with the width of a squared or a rectangular flat space, we will get the area. Area equals length times width. Now let's listen to a nice song about finding the area.
Area is the amount of space on a flat place. Area is the amount of space on a flat place. We find the area when we spread grass carpets in a football field. We find the area when we cover our piece of art with mosaic stones. Area is the amount of space on a flat place. Area is the amount of space on a flat place. We find the area when we fill the theater floor with lots of chairs. We find the area when we paint the wall of our bedroom. We measure the area by multiplying the length by width to find out how many squares cover the flat place. Area is the amount of space on a flat place. Area is the amount of space on a flat place.
Can you find the area of the volleyball court? The volleyball court is not covered with tiles that we can count. So in this case, we must first measure the length and the width. The length of this volleyball court is 20 meters and its width is 9 meters. Use the formula we've learned. Area equals length multiplied by the width. How do I multiply 20 by 9? Ignore the 0. 2 times 9 equals to 18. Then we add the 0. The area of the volleyball court is 180 square meters. Imagine we want to fully cover the court with tiles. We would need 180 square tiles in total. However, they should all be 1 meter sided. Fadi and his friends just started their own music band. They need a place to practice, so Fadi suggested using their basement. It is a big room under their house. And to make the basement a nice and comfortable place to practice in, Fadi is planning to get new furniture, some rugs, beanbags, chairs, maybe a small kitchen counter. And the musical instruments will also take up some of the space. To know how much space he has, Fadi must find the area of the basement floor. Its length is 18 meters. Its width is half its length. Can you help Fadi find the area of the basement? To know the area, we should know both the length and the width of the room. In this case, the length is 18 meters. What's half 18? It's 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So area equals length times width. Area equals 18 multiplied by 9. 162 square meters is the area of the basement. The area of a room is 24 square meters. What is the length and the width of that room? What possible answers can you think of? We know that area equals length times width. If area equals 24, what two numbers, if multiplied together, would give 24 as an answer? We can multiply 12 by 2. That would be a possible answer. Length of 12 meters and width of 2 meters. Another possible answer is 6 meters by 4. 6 times 4 is also 24. 8 times 3 equals 24, 2. A length of 8 meters and width of 3 meters. Are you ready for a final challenge? Lara is working on this mosaic canvas. To know the number of mosaic pieces she needs to fill the whole canvas, she must find the area, which is the number of squared mosaic pieces that can fill the whole canvas. Can you help her find the area of this canvas? Area is length times width. Where is the length of this shape? Where is the width? There are too many numbers. Which ones should we multiply to get the area? If we draw a line, we can see that there are two shapes here instead of one. What are they? The first has a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. It's a rectangle. And the second shape has a length and width of 4 centimeters. It's a square. If we find the area of each shape separately and then add them together, we will end up with the area of the whole canvas that Lara will fill with small pieces of mosaics. Let's try it. Area of the first shape, the rectangle, 12 times 5 equals to 60 centimeters. We are measuring by centimeters this time instead of meters because it is a small area, smaller than the areas of the floors we measured before. Area of the square is 16 centimeters. 4 times 4 equals 16. Now we add both answers together. 60 plus 16 equals to 76 square centimeters. The area of the whole canvas is 76 square centimeters. So, Lara needs 76 small squared mosaics to fill this beautiful canvas, taking into consideration that every square mosaic has a length and a width of 1 centimeter. By now, friends, you know how to find the area of rectangles or squares. You can now find the area of the floors of rooms, houses, walls, playgrounds, and even paintings. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
لمشاهدة المزيد من الحلقات زوروا سات7 بلس.